Hi loves, welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. I was thinking what hairstyles to make in September, and guess what? I'll share 10 back to school hairstyles that are so easy, hitless. Don't forget about like or dislike button, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel. So let's get right into it.
For our first half updo, we want to select two sections from both sides of our parting, and we want to bring them back and tie it with a clear elastic. Then you want to Topsitail it, tighten it. Now you want to select another section from this side, twist it lightly and bring it through our Topsitail like I'm showing. Then we want to repeat on other side as well. So we want to select a section of hair, twist it lightly and bring it into our Topsitail again. You can leave it like that because it looks absolutely fantastic, but I decided to add a bow. You can add here any type of clip or hair accessory that you like. For our second one, we want to divide all our hair into 3 equal sections, and we want to tie with all of them 3 ponytails. Then we want to Topsitail each of these ponytail. So we want to make an opening and bring the ponytail through the opening and tighten it. So we want to repeat with all our 3 ponytails. Now we want to grab our side Topsitail ponytails, bring it over our middle one, and using a clip we want to bring them together like that. And here again guys, you can use any type of accessory that you like. For the next one, we want to divide again our hair into 3 equal sections. We want to tie the middle one using a clear elastic, then grabbing the side ones over our middle ponytail, bring them down, twist it and begin a super simple twist and braid with it. Then you want to tie it using a clear elastic, like that. Fan it out to make it fuller and voluminous, and you're done. For the next, we want to select our top section. I'll leave my bangs in the front. You can skip this step and grab all the hair up. Tie it with a clear elastic. Make an opening and make a Topsitail with it. Now you want to bring your Topsitail forward and select another section right below our Topsitail and tie it using a clear elastic. Our second ponytail will be a little bit more thicker than our Topsitail. Now you want to bring this thicker ponytail through the Topsitail like I'm showing, and you want to tighten everything up. Also make sure to pull a little bit your crown section to make it fuller and voluminous, and your voluminous half updo is ready. For the next one, we want to select all our hair into a kind of middle ponytail. Twist it lightly up like creating a French twist. Grab a middle size claw clip, secure it, then bring your hair up and use another smaller claw clip and secure it. Now you want to twist your section down now around our small claw clip and bring it into our bigger claw clip like that. And our claw clip French twist is ready. For the next one, we want to make again a middle ponytail. Then I decided to cover my elastic, but that's totally optional. Guys, this is so trendy, okay? You want to divide all your ponytail into 3 equal sections, and you want to make with each of these sections a row braid. I decided to make row braids here, but you can make a 3-strand braid or the braid that you like the most, okay? So basically a row braid is dividing your section into 2 and twist each section one way and then twist them around each other opposite way. So this way you'll create your row braid. So as I said, we'll make 3 row braids with these ponytails, and look how intricate and interesting it looks. It's not your usual ponytail, so I like it so much. For the next one, we want to gather our hair into a low to medium ponytail. I leave my bangs in the front. Then we want to divide into 2 our ponytail like I'm showing, but here, because I have layers, I'm bringing the longer pieces up, and then you want to use a claw clip to secure it and make a voluminous ponytail like that. For the next one, we want to select our crown section and we want to clip it away for later. Then you want to select a small section of hair from the front, make sure it will reach the back of your head, and you want to simply twist it away from your face. When your twist is ready, you want to clip it away for later and repeat the section on other side. This is an amazing way to bring your hair away from your face but leaving the rest down. So when your twists are ready, you want to bring them in the front like I'm showing and tie it with a clear elastic. And then bring it under our section like that. Release your top section, brush it if needed, and you're basically done. Look how beautiful it looks. For the next one, we want to select our crown section, divide it into 3 and begin a French braid. Basically, you twist side strands over the middle one. Then, before crossing, you want to add more hair to the side strands before crossing over the middle one. So you want to continue these steps over and over again until you have no more hair to add. And then you want to select a section like basically half of your braid, and you want to clip it away for later. And with the rest you want to continue a 3-strand braid until reaching the ends, tying with a clear elastic. When your first braid is ready, you want to braid this section left and tie it with a clear elastic again. So beautiful, right guys? And so trendy, by the way. For our next hairstyle, we want to divide our hair into 2 equal sections, and we want to tie each of these sections into a ponytail, and we want to topsitail it. Now, grabbing these sections together, you want to braid it, creating a simple twist-on braid, tying the ends with a clear elastic. Now, you want to bring up your braid and wrap it around created base, hiding the ends, and you want to pin it well in place. And your elegant braided bun is ready.
I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. Don't forget about the like and subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Let me know in comments down below what kind of any other hairstyles you'd like to see. Next, tell me in comments down below which of these hairstyles is actually your favorite. But that's it for today, and you know I love you so much, and see you soon in my next one. Bye!